Ever wondered why the Dubai property market is making headlines around the globe? Well, you're not alone. Dubai, a city of glitz and glamour, has become a global hotspot for real estate enthusiasts. The city's property market is as spectacular as its skyline, drawing attention from every corner of the world. Its unique combination of luxury, innovation, and opportunity has created an irresistible allure for investors and home seekers alike. Yet, the Dubai property market is more than just a spectacle. It's a dynamic ecosystem of trends and transactions, constantly evolving and adapting to the world's economic climate. But what exactly makes it tick? What are the secrets behind its global appeal? And more importantly, what does it mean for you? These are the questions we'll be delving into, so buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey into the heart of one of the world's most fascinating property markets. Stay tuned as we unravel the secrets behind the success of the Dubai property market. Dubai, the city of gold, is not just renowned for its luxury and grandeur. It's a city that captivates and intrigues, a place where the ultra-modern meets the traditional. But what is it that truly sets Dubai apart? Firstly, its strategic location is a key factor. Situated at the crossroads of Europe, Africa, and Asia, Dubai serves as a global hub for travel and trade, drawing people from all corners of the world. This international appeal has fostered a diverse and cosmopolitan population, contributing to the city's vibrant cultural tapestry. Next, let's talk about infrastructure. Dubai is home to world-class amenities and facilities, from its state-of-the-art airports to its efficient public transportation system. The city's skyscrapers, shopping malls, and entertainment venues are a testament to its commitment to excellence and innovation. But it's not all about business and leisure. The city also offers high living standards, with top-notch healthcare and education facilities. Its safe environment, coupled with a tax-free regime, makes it an attractive place to live, work, and invest. These factors, in combination, create a favorable climate for the property market. The demand for real estate is driven by the city's dynamic population, its thriving economy, and its reputation as a global city. This robust property market, in turn, fuels Dubai's growth and development. But what exactly does the Dubai property market look like? Let's delve deeper. The Dubai property market is a melting pot of opportunities. It offers a diverse range of properties that cater to almost every taste and budget. From swanky penthouses in towering skyscrapers to cozy villas nestled in serene suburbs, there's something for everyone. Let's start with the types of properties available. In the heart of the city, you'll find an array of luxury apartments that offer breathtaking views of the skyline. On the other hand, the outskirts of the city are dotted with spacious villas and townhouses, perfect for those seeking a tranquil lifestyle away from the hustle and bustle. And for the ultra-luxurious, there are palatial mansions and beachfront properties that redefine opulence. Now let's move on to the areas that are most popular. Downtown Dubai is a hotbed for property enthusiasts, thanks to its iconic landmarks like the Burj Khalifa and the Dubai Mall. The Palm Jumeirah, with its stunning sea views and upscale lifestyle, is another sought-after locale. Meanwhile, areas like Dubai Marina and Jumeirah Beach residents attract those who love the vibrant nightlife and beachside living. The demographics of property owners and renters in Dubai are as diverse as the properties themselves. The city is a global melting pot, attracting individuals and families from all corners of the world. From young professionals seeking high-rise living to families looking for spacious homes in family-friendly neighborhoods, the Dubai property market caters to a wide array of needs and preferences. Investors, too, are drawn to the Dubai property market due to its potential for high returns and capital appreciation. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a first-time buyer, the market is ripe with opportunities. Now that we have a broad understanding of the market, let's break down some of its complex aspects. Navigating the Dubai property market might seem challenging, but don't worry, we've got your back. Let's start with the property laws. Dubai's property laws have changed significantly over the last 2 decades. Initially, only UAE nationals could own property in the city, but in 2002, the government introduced a new law that allowed expatriates to own property in certain areas of Dubai. Think of it like being given the keys to a secret garden. Suddenly, a whole new world of opportunities opened up, and it changed the landscape of the Dubai property market forever. Next, let's talk about real estate regulations. The Dubai Land Department, or DLD, is the governing body that oversees real estate in the city. They've introduced several new regulations over the years to protect both buyers and sellers. For instance, the DLD now requires developers to fully own the land and have a minimum of 20% of the construction completed before they can sell off-plan properties. It's like a safety net, ensuring that you won't fall when you take that leap of faith in investing in an off-plan property. And then we have property prices. Now this can be a bit tricky. Dubai's property market is highly dynamic and prices can fluctuate due to a variety of factors, from changes in supply and demand to global economic conditions. But here's a simple way to look at it. Imagine you're at an auction. The price of a painting goes up when more people want it and down when there's less interest. The same principle applies to property prices in Dubai. But how do you keep track of these changes? Well, there are several property price indices available, such as the Rydin Index and the ValueStrat Price Index, that track changes in property prices over time. It's like having a crystal ball that gives you a glimpse into the trends and patterns of the property market. With this knowledge, you are now equipped to tackle the complexities of the Dubai property market, but there's more. The future of the Dubai property market looks promising. Would you like to know why? This city, famous for its groundbreaking architecture and luxurious lifestyle, is constantly evolving, and its property market is no different. Let's consider upcoming real estate projects. Dubai is not a city to rest on its laurels. It's always reaching for the sky, quite literally. The city is set to welcome a series of ambitious projects that will redefine its skyline over the next decade. From the world's tallest twin towers at Dubai Creek Harbour to the visionary underwater luxury homes of the Floating Seahorse, these developments are set to attract investors and residents alike. Now let's talk about government policies. The Dubai government is proactive in implementing regulations that foster growth and stability in the property sector. Initiatives like long-term visas for property investors and the creation of a real estate planning committee to balance supply and demand are clear signals of the government's commitment to maintaining a vibrant and sustainable property market. Finally, let's discuss market trends. Dubai's property market is characterized by a cycle of boom and bust, but the overall trend is one of growth. In fact, despite global economic uncertainties, the city's property market has shown resilience. With the recent focus on affordable housing and the growing popularity of rent-to-own schemes, Dubai's property market is becoming more accessible to a wider demographic. What's more, Dubai's position as a global hub for trade and tourism, coupled with its robust infrastructure and high standard of living, continue to make it a desirable destination for investors and expatriates. In conclusion, the future of the Dubai property market is bright. With a blend of bold real estate projects, supportive government policies, and favorable market trends, Dubai is set to continue its journey as a leading global property market. The Dubai property market is not just about the present, it's a journey into a promising future. So, what have we learned about the Dubai property market? We've grasped the allure of Dubai, a city boasting unparalleled luxury and innovation that's become a global hub for commerce, tourism, and real estate. We've delved into the property market's landscape, highlighting its expansive growth and diverse offerings, from opulent villas to high-rise apartments. We've navigated the complexities of this market, understanding the regulatory framework, property rights, and the role of foreign investment. We've also peeked into the future, assessing trends and opportunities that could shape the market, such as sustainable developments and technological advancements. But remember, like any investment, real estate in Dubai requires careful planning, thorough research, and an understanding of the market dynamics. It's a market that's constantly evolving, presenting new challenges and opportunities alike. With this insight, the Dubai property market is no longer a mystery, but an open book full of opportunities. So, are you ready to explore it?